All right, Swell Academy, welcome. 2021, more videos coming in the pipeline. We're talking about remote exterior angles today, or angles. And basically, I just want to kind of show you this idea of first, let's take the long route, right? So let's try to find X. We know this is 180 degrees, so if we're able to find y, we can subtract 180. So we know a triangle has 180 degrees. So let's take it the long way this time around, and we'll go 55 plus 65, and we end up with 120 there. And if these two angles together equal 120, then I can subtract that from 180, and I get 60 degrees here. And then if y, so basically meaning that y is equal to 60 degrees. And then knowing that this is a linear pair equal to 180, I could subtract that 60 as well and say this is 120. But there's a relationship that happens between these two, what they call remote interior angles. So actually this is remote interior angles when solving for a exterior angle. And if you see the two angles added up, the 55 plus the 65 will equal the 120. And that's what we could call like a forever relationship, something that never changes, will always be that way when solving for angles. And what I want to do, just basically using that, let's use one of my favorite angles is 70, 60, 50. And this idea is I don't really need to add the two, subtract, and then subtract from 180 again. I can literally just, let's kind of color code this a little bit actually. Let's go X, let's get a little purple in there, get the Y here, and let's drop, it's been a while since I dropped this teal here, X, Y, Z. So if I want to find X, all I need to do is add these two values, the 50 plus the 60, and these two, well, actually we should be doing that in blue. These two here added together are going to give me my X. So here I have X is equal to 110. I got that just by adding the 50 plus the 60 together. And then you have the same thing with the purple here. The 70 and the 50, that equals the Y. So back to it here. And the 70 to 50 equals the Y. The two remote interior angles, the two angles, let's say furthest from Y, the exterior angle, will add together. And this, if we add these two together, Y would be equal to 120. And then we could find Z by teal circling our two remote angles here, and we would know Z is 130. So using our, again, two remote interior angles you could add together, and this will be a relationship that'll help you with any problems that involve algebra, and they have the X plus 20, maybe you have something like this, X plus 20, and this is 2X, and they're telling you that this is 150. You could set this up, the two remote interior equal the one exterior, and you could set those up, add those together, combine like terms, so on and so forth, solve for X, plug back in, and solve for those two angles. Hope this helps. Remember, hard work beats talent on any day.